Why is fire hot? One evening, Lucas was camping with his family and sitting by the campfire. He wondered why fire feels so hot.
Why is fire so hot?
Suddenly, a tiny fairy named Blaze appeared to explain why fire is so hot.
Hi Lucas. I'm Blaze, the fire fairy. Let me tell you why fire feels hot.
Blaze explained that fire is made of energy, and that's why it feels hot.
Fire is made of energy. When something burns, it releases energy in the form of heat and light.
Blaze told Lucas that fire burns when something like wood or gas combines with oxygen, creating heat.
Fire happens when something like wood or gas combines with oxygen, creating heat.
Blaze explained that heat comes from atoms moving very fast when something burns.
Heat comes from atoms moving really fast when something burns.
Blaze told Lucas that when you get close to fire, the heat energy from the fast-moving atoms reaches your skin, and that's why it feels hot.
The heat energy from the fast-moving atoms in the fire reaches your skin, making it feel hot.
Blaze explained that fire is useful because it gives us warmth when we're cold.
Fire gives us warmth when we're cold, making it very useful for camping or staying cozy in the winter.
Blaze told Lucas that fire is also important because it helps us cook food.
Fire helps us cook food, like roasting marshmallows or making a meal when camping.
Blaze reminded Lucas that fire is powerful, and it can be dangerous if not handled carefully.
Fire is powerful, but it can also be dangerous if we don't handle it carefully.
Lucas smiled, now understanding why fire is hot, and couldn't wait to share what he learned with his friends.
Thanks, Blaze. Now I know why fire is hot and how to be careful with it.